Everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. What you want to do at first is head over to your Bybit account. From there, you're gonna hover over buy crypto. As you can see, the fourth option says convert. We're gonna click on it and wait for it to load up. As you can see, it has different types if it's funding or unified trading, so choose your type. And from there we want to convert USD to USDT, so we're going to select over here and search for USD and click on this one, and then two, we're going to click on this one. And if USDT is not showing for you, let's say Bitcoin is showing for you, just click on this one and search for USDT and click on this one. And from there you need to put in how much USD you are spending, or either how much USDT, but mostly it allows you USD, let's say 50 or 500, whatever it is, but make sure you have that much amount in your account. And if you don't have that much amount, what you need to do is head over to buy crypto, fiat deposit, and then you want to top up your account from here, and then you can convert the USD to USDT in the above previous process. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.